Over Troubled Waters is a documentary produced by nonprofit organization Restore the Delta and narrated by actor Ed Begley Jr. Centered around the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta, the largest set of waterways on the west coast of the Americas, the film speaks to the statewide crucial water resource and the controversial fight to pumping it dry or keeping it healthy for future generations. Told from the front lines in the form of fishermen, citizens, academics, indigenous voices, and environmentalists, the documentary illuminates a need to protect this estuary in the midst of this severe drought. The ecological crisis of the Delta metaphorically parallels our society's struggles. Corporate interests exploit resources and grip the systems in which we depend. Our environment's degradation is similar to the corruption of public services and institutions. The health of the Sacramento-San Joaquin Delta is inherently connected to the health of our communities, and the displacement and devastation of species such as the sandhill crane and Delta smelt connect to our shared struggle of how the conditions and the quality of the rivers are gravely malnourished and in rapid decline. The entities behind these struggles are many. Massive agribusiness desert farmland continues to push for the corporate extraction of California's water via the Bay Delta Conservation Plan, now known as the California Water Fix. These are the twin tunnels extracting fatal amounts of water out of the San Francisco Bay Delta for worldwide export crops. Not only are these waterways being exploited for a few making global profits, but also they are being exploited to supporting the expansion of fracking rigs, deteriorating the health of our water even more. That water is being irreversibly transformed into toxic wastewater, which is then being illegally dumped into federally protected aquifers and used for crops in desperation. The nuance of the climate crisis required just as complex a response, and in order to solve the magnitude of these struggles, we need to acknowledge multiple pieces that collectively make up the puzzle of what's before us. More than ever, we need to see the intersection of many movements surging on our social landscape. And as people, we need to show up and stand up for each other in order to dismantle the violent systems that threaten to tear us apart. Only then can we be able to create true solidarity for lasting change.